When people think of Alaska Airlines, they think of airplanes, they think of airports, and that, of course, is the actual business that we're in. But what we're very cognizant of is the fact that e-commerce is the first interaction that many people have with us.
Alaska Airlines is the 5th largest domestic airline in the United States, and we do our best to be competitive through scrappy innovation.
We were the first airline to sell airline tickets online. That culture of innovation is driving us to have more guest centricity and more product focus to provide the absolute best guest experience.
Our customers are accessing our site with multiple different platforms, from web to mobile, kiosk at the airport. It's extremely crucial for us to provide consistent digital experience.
Guest experience through our digital platforms is key. If we don't get that right, then they certainly won't become loyal guests. Our technology teams are working in an incredibly complex and data-rich environment.
AppDynamics is providing us deep visibility into our application's performance on front end and back end. That holistic view gives me the peace of mind that we are actually delivering the right experience for our guests. Cognition Engine is taking that dynamic baselining to the next level. The ability to quickly figure out the root cause is a big deal for us, and we are using Cognition Engine to make our mean time to resolution even faster. Our mean time to detection went from hours to less than 10 minutes, which is a huge win for us.
From 2017 to 2018, we were able to reduce the number of Sev 1 outages that we had by 60%, and we're continuing to sustain that.
We are using a hybrid environment on-premise and in the cloud, a lot of microservices and serverless computing.
The adoption of Azure and using the cloud has been a great enabler for our teams. It allows them to break up little bits of business logic, to experiment with them and deploy them quickly.
With AppDynamics, the developers, the engineers who are focused on trying to solve a guest problem can not only consider just the user experience or just the performance of the service in the back end, but how everything ties together.
And in partnership with AppD, we can be sure that we're building solutions that are healthy and reliable.
We can get a holistic view of the performance that really manifests itself in the things that matter to our guests.
I'm really passionate about how we're using the latest technologies to solve real pain points for our customers. The fact that we are making travel experience easy, joyful, and something they look forward to every time they travel makes me excited.